Good afternoon from Peer Panchata. We are at around 3000 meters of altitude. Our line, which is 400 km for Circuit 1, tripped 4 days ago. And our team, TL Bakura, attempted to reach this spot for the last 3 days. And finally, after trekking for around 6 hours, we were able to reach L13, wherein the fault of jumper failure was detected in B phase at location number L13. After taking 6 hours, we are able to reach this location. And as you can see, our team is at the location and we are currently rectifying the jumper failure with proper safety. Since this is a case of jumper failures, we have ensured safety in a way that we have earned both sides of the ways. As you can see, the location. Additionally, we have also sent our second team towards the forward span of this location so that we can be sure that there is only one fault which we are currently rectifying. The whole of Kashmir Valley is visible from here, and so is our team, which is at Peer Panchata. This is our sir Mercer who's leading our team. This is me, Murtaza Hassan, and our team members, Yusuf Saab and our fitters, who are doing such a brilliant job, and especially those three brave men who are rectifying this door at this point of time. As you can clearly see, the tower is laden with snow, and the snow is frozen, and the temperature is around -15 degrees. And hopefully we'll rectify this fault and the line will be up and charged in half an hour.